Hey guys, welcome back my big noise crew. Welcome to my unboxing. I will be doing unboxings here and there, and my sister said this is the week that we'll be doing our unboxing. So I am going to be unboxing from the Wellness Company, one of actually my favorite company. I've been ordering from them for going on 3 years now. So I swapped out all my household items and now I order from them because they have greener and cleaner deli and central. So I get my laundry and everything from them. And as you see, it says on the box, we deliver wellness, because they definitely did. Okay, and I absolutely love this store. So let's get into it. I actually did a small order so far this month. I usually order multiple times throughout the month, but so far this month I did a smaller order because I just needed a few things. And of course I didn't have my list when I was doing my shopping, because you shop as if you're right in the store. It has like aisles on this, I call them aisles, but you click it and it tells you, are you in personal care and stuff, just like if you were at the store. So let's get into this unboxing. I'm so excited, guys. All right, so it says, removing this lid, enjoy a moment of giddy anticipation. You deserve it, right? I deserve it. So let's get a little giddy. Leadership. So if you, the business side, you'll always see what's going on in the business and the people that are moving up the ladder. And actually my friend, she's in here because she just hit a big milestone in her business with the Wellness Company. So I'm excited about that. Poppers, yeah, my kids usually take them, but they're outside, so I get to pop it myself. Am I the only one that does that? I don't think so. All right, so what did we get? Got 2 Renew lotions. Okay, this is great for dry skin, guys. Can't make any medical claims, but a lot of people that have eczema definitely use it. I actually got the kit, so it comes with the body wash, 2 of the lotions. Okay, another body wash. So I got a lot of Renew stuff because my daughter, she has eczema, dry skin, so this is good for her. And then they also have their bath oil, which is amazing. You can use it in the shower or in the bath. So I did get that as well. So I got the whole kit. So I got the body wash, the bath wash, the lotion, the big size lotion, and then I got their hand wash as well. Okay, so their hand wash, and it has a pump that I put in there. And then the big lotion. If you use this, you will understand why I got a lot of the lotion. I won't have to buy this for a while, guys. Probably till the end of the year. No, next year, because you don't need much. And then of course the little ones, because we're going back to school. We're getting ready to go back to school, so these will be the ones that she traveled with to school. And then they just came out with their fall line, all things fall. So of course your girl had to get something from the fall line. And I do not use scented lotion, even though all their stuff is really good. They don't have a lot of toxic stuff in it. I just got, yes, sure. Excuse the noise, guys. Of course, big family, yes, big noise. So my kids will be coming in and out while I'm unboxing. But I did get the gentle plant base body cleanse. Okay, and this one is the Sunset Glow. I have not smelled it, but I'm about to smell it here while we are unboxing. Okay. Gotta take this off. I am so excited because they just came out with this. This is part of the fall collection. So I'm excited about it. Oh my god. It actually has, oh my gosh, it smells like, what is it? I no longer use BBW, and it actually smells like, I can't remember the one I used to always get, but it actually smells like this. And this one is Golden Amber, right? So this is from part of their fall collection. So I will definitely be ordering this again, because I'm going to order again because it's the fall collection, so it'll be gone before I know it, right? So it says, treat your senses. Toasted vanilla and amber and notes of sandal. Is that sandal? Sandalwood and musk. And guys, this smells amazing. I'm so getting some more. I got to get it before they run out. But of course, it's gentle plant-based body cleanser. So it's gentle on me. I have, as y'all know, if y'all are following me, I am all about cleansing from the outside in as well. So I do use all their products, as far as their laundry and everything, their cleaners, so that I do not have, I'm trying to, detox my home as well. So I started detoxing my home 3 years ago. So I use all their stuff, their deodorant, toothpaste, mouthwash, it all, because it don't have, I know y'all follow media and see how bad everything is going, like what are they putting in our clothes and everything, like our laundry and everything, a lot of stuff. So that's why I get it from there. So let's do a recap of what I got here, and then I'm gonna let you guys go. This is gonna be a short video. I'm not gonna hold y'all hostage, okay? So we got this size, which is an 8 fluid ounce, 2 in a pack. It's actually a set, so it comes with 2 in a pack. Really good price. And then I got the body wash that comes with 2 in a pack as well. I just dropped everything, guys. Body wash. And then also the big refill pump of the lotion. Also got the hand wash. Two of these, which are the lotions, travel size for my daughter. And the bath oil, and you only need a little goes a long way. And it has T365C and Melaleuca oil. So their oil is amazing, guys. So this will do great to your skin, right? So it says, for the hand wash, clinically proven moisture retention, and it formulates specifically for dry skin and protection from frequent hand washing. So this stuff is great for your hand washing as well. And then of course, so the lotion says heals and prevent even the driest skins, which it does. It's summertime, so we put these on our heels, ladies. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and men, because my husband used it as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you could, thumb me up. If you're new here, welcome to the family, and share me out if you possibly could. And I'll see you in the next video.